Alright, today on Hillbilly Moonshine, we're going to make the hillbilly version of Sex on the Beach. But instead, this is called Sex in the Woods. Start with 2 ounces of moonshine. Get it from the store or make your own. Followed up by 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. It don't matter if we make a mess, wife will clean it up. 3/4 ounce peach schnapps. Ounce and a half of orange juice. Toss some rice in. Go ahead and give her a shake. Little orange for garnish, because you know we're not savages. And there you have it. The hillbilly version of Sex on the Beach called Sex in the Woods. You can hear the banjos in the background. You try it.